Hi, I'm Michael,
Andre.
and we're going to open again
Another journey together.
4-pack blister something ng Toy R Us. And
Bagong restock sa Toy R Us.
Kaso ang problema, 2 item per person lang daw. So bawal kahit marami. I think nakakita ko ng Destined Rival pati Journey Together naka-sleeve. Kaso ito lang ang binigay sa amin. So 2 items na nakuha namin. Inuna namin ang Journey Together. And ito na yung kasi nakabukas na kami ng isa, una. And this is our last. So maghihintay na naman tayo ng restock kung kailan man yan mangyari.
Or a decade.
Huwag na, wala nang decade yun. Anyway, tayo yung mag-open. Let's open and have pack battle. Teka lang. Parang ang lapit mo. Parang feeling ko ang lapit nito. Ano lang natin, konting adjust
I'm
lang.
gonna cut it.
Masyadong malapit para sa ko. Yan.
Can we cut it with scissors?
Wait, hindi na. Ano ba nila ginagawa yung mga YouTuber na no?
But we need to open it with your scissors here.
I'm going to open with mine with me. Hindi na yata. I don't need.
Is it because what happened in Cookie Run?
Ay, matapan ako. Anyway.
Battles.
Battle ulit.
So what are you gonna pick? Because you're the one who bought it, you pick the
So ikaw na muna mauna. Parang lapit masyado, no? Nalalapitan ako. Parang mas maganda pag nakaano. Kung ano lapit, no? Parang mas maganda kung pagbaba siya, no? No, mas maganda, no? Kaso nakaharang sa mukha ko kasi.
Okay, yan. Okay, I think that's okay now.
And
Ready?
ganyan na lang. Ganyan na lang ulit. Anyway, okay. 2 packs for me, 2 packs for Andre. May the best Pokemon Master win. Oh, mauna ka na.
Pokemon Master.
And syempre, dahil magbubukas tayo, hindi na kami nakatiis, naka-open kami ng Cookie Run tapos ito. So kailangan natin ng sleeves.
It's impossible we get no hits after opening 4 packs.
Sana. Hindi ko na nga maalala kung anong Destined Rivals kasi ano ko eh. Journey. Ano bang maganda sa Journey Together? Wait lang, tingnan natin.
Takot! I accidentally left. Hey look, it's Rock.
May article, maganda article. Ito yung Whale Lord yata, isa sa mga magaganda dyan.
Caterpie. Daddy focus on the video. Magmar.
Lagay mo dito.
Hops Bulu. Alolan Marowak. Ghost type. What is this Alolan Marowak?
Oh, nagano siya eh.
Like a ghost type.
Anong Delta species
Brock
ba yun?
Scouting.
Scouting.
Duration.
Doon yun.
Reverse Holo Metagrass.
Pag may hit, wala.
Compat
EX na lang yung
and
magkataon. Oh!
Hey!
Nice!
EX.
Wow, Clefairy EX. Series. Yes. Good. Nice. Parang gusto ko yung Reshiram mo. Ang alam ko, ito nakuha ni Andre. Oh, yung gundo oh. Tingnan mo.
The
Nakita
little
mo.
stars.
Ito yung
We
ganda.
got this yesterday.
Yan ba yung nakuha natin? Ito
Yeah.
gusto ko. Ito. Reshiram, pati itong Whale Lord. Anyway, okay.
Let's skip up.
My turn. I hope and hopefully may
Full card.
may hit tayo.
We already got a hit.
Yeah, ako rin ba? Ang hirap maghanap ng Pokemon packs. Kasi minsan ayaw pagbentahan, ayaw magsabi kung meron ba talaga. Iba naman laging out of stock. Ay, nasira naman. Iba hindi pa nagre-restock.
Nice.
But
EX.
thankfully nakakuha. Uy, may nakita ko. May nakita akong umiilaw. Wait lang.
Maybe that's just a cool holo.
Dilis Cutie Fly.
Pretty fat.
Pet Tilil.
Just call it him pet.
Mincino. Tiod.
Look, they can It looks like an octopus.
Hops Corviknight,
Patch Squirtle.
Grident,
Let's call that Patch.
Regice, marami tayo
That's
dito.
Patch Squirtle.
Okay.
Oh!
Ay! Wait lang, wait lang. Wait.
Double hitter! Maybe it's a double hitter.
Wailord! Ay,
Ayun.
yung Wailord ang gusto ko, pero... Wailord, may Wailord naman, kaso hindi yung ano...
Eh, but we still got that.
And I just said it! Diba? Reshiram and ano...
Maybe God granted your wish.
Thank you, Lord. Wow! Oh
Put
my!
two seeds. Put the...
Oh my! Wow!
You're winning now, right?
Wow!
Are you winning?
Wailord, I'm done. Makuha natin yung Wailord, I'm done in Journey
Wait.
Together. Kasi
Yesterday, I
ito
won with
yung-
a full art.
ito
Now
yung
you're
pinakaano ko.
winning.
Tatlo kasi ang aking Reshiram, Wailord, pati itong si Full Art na Lily's Clefable. Oh my!
Wait, that means you're winning now.
Nanginginig yung kamay ko.
Wait, that means you're winning. I don't want to lose. Wait, you're gonna be a Pokemon master.
Oh my gosh. Thank you, Lord.
I need to
Oh
win.
my. Oh my. Yeah! Sana sa Journey Together, sa Destined Rival, ganun din. I'm still looking for that Misty Psyduck illustration there. But, hey.
I need to win.
Actually, hindi ko na kailangan ng gold card. Hindi naman malabo na yan. Pero, ito, Wailord, oh. Wailord.
How about that turret? It looks...
Man, wow! What a nice pull. Akala ko, man, thank you, Lord.
Gold card.
Wow.
Wow. Wait, now you're winning,
Man.
right? Hey, look! Dragon. Is this
Meron
dragon
tayo-
type?
Yes.
Crab.
Green. Hindi kita.
Pig. Pig.
Wait lang. Tataas ko lang ng konti. Kasi
Snail.
ano.
Shelmet. Hap choice band. Where's the trainer?
Wait lang po, ha?
Where do you put the trainer?
Ay, no, kay Brock.
And Brock scraping. Legendary
Ati ko,
word. We need that pull up.
Illustration R, yeah.
Illustration word.
Illustration rare ba tawag dyan? Wow.
Ghost week.
Wow. Papanoodin ko nga ulit. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko nakuha yun eh. Pero,
Oh,
it's okay. Look.
come on.
Ah, tama.
Wow!
Don't shout. Baka hindi na naman maano. Oy, wag ano yun, Ben.
Weeps.
Wow.
I'm winning now. I'm winning.
No. We're winning.
No, in back buttons.
Ay, hindi. Ito yung best card.
No, look, I have
Yun
I have
lang.
an EX
Anyway,
and
yeah.
look, it's
We still
they're
won.
the same. They're the
Yeah,
same.
we still
So
won. Up here.
technically, I'm winning.
We won. Technically, we won. Last
Wow.
pack magic. Wailord, illustration rare.
Wow, we got some.
My Lord, thank you. After,
Do you want to open an ATB for that? You might get more.
wow. Wala namang mabilang ATB. Wow.
How about your
Wow,
evolving
wow,
skies? You might get the
Oh my
Umbreon.
gosh. Wait lang.
Daddy show.
Potter. Rocario. Purloin.
Hey, first dart.
Professor Research. Redeemer Ticket. Uy, puro ano Energy Spike. Acel Gore. Whooper. Ito na. River Salad Theod School. Oh.
Huh?
Wait. Ay! Nakuha ba? Oh.
At least we got something.
Oh, anyway. Okay lang. Wow. Okay, ito na. So,
These are
out
the
of
hits.
4 packs, this is our hit.
But the two are one of the best in the set.
Wow.
Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow.
Wow, wow.
I was hoping for the parrot.
Wow. Okay lang.
I
Okay
thought
lang.
Lona Velvet EX was impossible.
okay. It's okay.
I
I'm
thought-
happy.
I
I'm
thought
happy.
Lona's Velvet EX
I'm
it
happy.
was impossible.
I am very happy because of this one. But nice one. Nice job. Anyway, that's it. Wala na kaming bubuksan because dalawang set lang nabili namin. Ay, alam ko may na-pull din tayo doon sa isa lang, no?
Yung
Kanina. Yan lang na na-pull natin, no? Tapos wala nang iba, no? Anyway, that's it for Journey Together. I don't know if makakabili pa kami or magkaka-restock pa.
but if we saw it, we're gonna open it because of our insane luck.
Thank you, Lord. So, that's it. I'm Michael.
And
And we just opened some Journey Together
and
Pokemon
we got
4
so
packs from the restock sa Robinson Toy R Us. So ang tanong, bubuksan.
Bubuksan
Hindi, yun na eh. Bubuksan ang sagot. Hindi pala ang tanong. Ang sagot,
Bubuksan
bubuksan.
yan.
So that's it. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.